Patricia is proud to announce the official release of Patricia browser and desktop version. To start, let's focus on the solutions and terminology we have adopted going forward. First, we have Patricia Desktop, previously known as Patricia Client Server. Next, we have the Patricia Browser. The Patricia Browser is our new flagship web-based solution. No matter where you are in the world, if you have an internet connection, you will be able to access your data via the Patricia Browser. The last item is the Patricia Maintenance application. This is where you perform all setup and backend functionality. And note that changes here are applied in both Patricia Desktop and Patricia Browser. So what is the browser application? The browser application allows you to connect to your data via a web browser from anywhere in the world. You can rest easy in knowing that your data can be secure using various well-proven industry standards, such as SSL, encrypting data between you and the server, brute force protection such as CAPTCHA, two-factor authentication, and strong password protection using AES algorithm, amongst other methods. Browser application has been built to be fully compatible with any Patricia database. Both the desktop and browser can be used to access your data. There is no migration of data needed, as each solution lives side by side and you choose which one to use. If you are upgrading from an existing Patricia desktop version, the process remains the same as in the past. First, upgrade using the DB extender and then install the necessary desktop and browser solution. Also, the browser solution is included in your maintenance fee and can be used from day one with no additional cost. Accompanying this release is our wiki manual. Accessed from the wiki search bar, here you will find detailed articles on all aspects of the system. Type in a search term and read through the article. We also provide step-by-step exercises for internal training purposes. In striving to improve the clarity of Patricia terminology, some items have been renamed to better align with their purpose. Terms are now called tasks in the browser application. What we previously called an external term is now called a deadline. The term list in the desktop application is now known as the task list. The task list is available as a widget, accessible from your home page. What we previously referred to as tabs in an open case are now called pages in the browser. A widget is a graphical user interface with a special purpose. Examples are My Tasks or Recent Items. The browser application provides powerful searching capabilities, starting with our free text search bar. Simply type in a keyword and results will be returned based on several fields that were queried. In addition, we have the advanced search feature, where several criteria can be combined to find results. We provide negating search criteria, which means that records that match a certain search can be excluded from results. We also support a query language, where specific operators can be used to perform complex searches. The details for all of this can be found in our wiki. For case creation and name creation, we have provided wizards to guide the user through the necessary steps. The interface is fully customizable, and we provide additional options to add devices or documents at the creation stage. With the browser, we also introduced the grid component, which gives us several great features. First, grid layouts are fully customizable, both in the columns that are displayed and the order in which they are displayed. This can also be customized on a user level by accessing the settings area. Build the layout you want and then choose it to be used on the results screen. Data can be exported into Excel, PDF or XML format and will be fully formatted, including header labels. You also have the option to name the export file before it is saved. Filtering is a powerful feature where you can filter grid data based on any criteria. Several criteria can be applied to find the exact row required. If the grid layout is not to your liking, You can always switch to a list layout using the grid icon. Case management in the browser remains similar to Patricia Desktop in that the information is divided into pages of content. Click on a page to access that content. One difference is that the diary fields now toggle between an edit and a non-edit mode. If you wish to edit a diary field, then first enter edit mode and then perform the edit. Note that the preference here will be saved. Tasks, known as terms in the desktop version of Patricia, work exactly the same as before. Tasks can be accessed from within a case or from the My Task widget found on the home screen. The My Task widget displays all tasks due on a given day for a specific user. We also have the My Workspace widget, which is a tool we use to do planning based on the duration that tasks will take to complete. With this tool, we can easily get an overview of a specific user's workload and distribution of tasks spread over a week period. Colored blocks indicates the status, with gray blocks showing historical tasks not attended to. Blue blocks indicate tasks registered on a user on a given day, and pink blocks displays all tasks registered that exceed the amount of time available to complete those tasks. Documents now have document content previewing. Double-click on a document to see a preview of the content. Documents have properties that can be edited, but if you wish to edit the document content, you first need to download the file, perform the edit, and then re-upload to the document page. We provide full document generation, and all existing templates will still function as expected. All email setup and templates will also work as before. We provide access to a configuration area within Patricia Browser. It is here where we can customize any aspect of the browser UI, layout, which fields show or do not, which fields are mandatory, default values, and more. We also provide report solutions accessible by clicking on the right-hand quick access icon. Click here to access either your task list or portfolio reports. Some frequently asked questions. First, how does maintenance tie into the browser? Certain setup and BC values are inherited from the maintenance application. Please see the wiki article for a detailed explanation. Next question is, do we provide tablet support? Yes, we do. The browser solution is platform agnostic and can be used on a tablet. Do note that the Patricia app that worked with Patricia Desktop up to version 5.9 is not compatible with the 6.0 version. To assist our clients in implementing the new version, we offer several implementation packages. Please contact Patrick Support for more details. We now welcome you into the Patricia browser world and encourage you to test it out. Thank you for your kind attention.